Now we will discuss about lens maker formula. Imagine a point object O is placed on the principal axis of the lens as shown in the figure. So in this figure, once you observe, one object O is placed on the principal axis of the lens. Let this lens be placed in a medium of refractive index Na and the refractive index of a lens medium Nb. Okay. So here one object, once you observe this figure, one object O is placed on the principal axis of the lens. Okay. Now let this lens is placed in a medium of refractive index Na and the refractive index of a lens medium Nb. So lens can be placed in a medium of refractive index Na and let the refractive index of lens medium is Nb. Means here this lens is placed no, after this one medium is there, and in this lens one more medium is there. Medium means no medium is nothing but the light or sound that travel through the which substance, that we can call that as a medium. Means in previous class we discussed no rarer media, denser media, like that. So here one medium means lens outside is there, one medium is there, that refractive index is Na. Okay. Next to lens, that is one of the medium, that refractive index is Nb. Like that we should imagine. Okay. Now consider a ray from the O which is incident on a convex surface. So a ray from the O, one ray is traveling, no, observe that ray, the ray incident on the convex surface of the lens with the radius of curvature R1 HA as shown in the figure. So here at point O object is there, from that object O one ray is falling on the convex surface at point A. Okay, means that is incident at a point A. Okay, so this incident ray refracts at A. This incident ray is refracts at A. So when light travel from one medium to another medium, it undergo refraction, no? So this incident ray is refracts at A. Let us assume that it forms image at Q. There were no concave surface. So this is from the ray, one ray falling on the mirror at A. This is incident ray. So this incident ray that undergo refraction, if there is no concave surface, it undergo refraction and it forms a image at Q. It forms the image at Q. Okay. So here after this incident ray fall at a point A, no, so that undergo refraction, no, then what happened, changing its direction. So here with the dotted line up to Q one mark is there, that is the image at Q, that image will form. Now we can write from that figure we can write like this: object distance P to O distance is called as object distance. Object distance PO equal to minus U. Object distance PO equal to minus U. Why? Because that is opposite to incident ray, no, that's why minus U. Image distance showed by V, no, V, which is the image distance. So here object distance we should measure from P to O. P to O object distance, that is P to O object distance is equal to minus U. Minus U means incident ray opposite ray, here we are measuring the object distance opposite to incident ray, that's why minus U. And image distance V means P to Q distance, there the image will form, no, that is image distance, no. Okay, that image distance is V. V means at Q that image will form, means from that image distance also we should measure it from the pole, no, optic center. So that image distance also we should measure from the optic center, no. So from optic center P to Q, that is image distance, that is image distance is showed by V. So image distance V is equals to PQ is equals to what? X. Radius of curvature R is equals to R1. Okay, radius of curvature R equal to what? R1. And radius of curvature R equal to R1. Why? Because it is convex surface, no, in that convex surface radius of curvature is positive, no, that is why R is equals to R1 we can write. and mediums. N1 is equals to Na, means from the point O, then one ray is traveling fall on the convex surface. No, that is one of the medium. Its refractive index is Na, and the ray is entering into the lens. No, that medium N2 is equals to Nb. Okay. Now substitute this value object distance, image distance, radius of curvature in equation N2 by V minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R. In previous activity image formation we derived one equation. In that final equation we got now N2 by V minus N1 by U is equals to N2 minus N1 by R is there. No, in that we should substitute the above values. What are that value? PQ is equals to minus U, V is equals to PQ is equal to X, R is equals to R1. Substitute that. NB by X plus Na by U equal to Nb minus Na by R1 will come. So N2 is equal to Nb is there, no? Nb we should write divided by V. V is equal to what is there? X we are written. Okay. Next minus N1 by U is there. N1 is equals to what is there? Na is there. U is N1 by U. U is minus U is there. Okay. Minus U, minus into minus plus U will come. That's why plus Na by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R. N2 is equals to what is there? Nb is there. Minus N1 is equals to Na is there. Nb minus Na by R1 we can write. Okay. Here, but the ray that has refracted at A suffers another refraction at a B on the concave surface with radius of curvature R2. Okay, so the ray that has refracted A suffers another refraction at B on the concave surface with radius of curvature R2. So once you observe the figure, in this figure concave lens is there, sorry, convex lens is there. So in this figure convex lens is there. One ray from the O fall on the convex surface. Okay, yes or no? So here this ray undergo refraction. This ray undergo refraction. Here one more concave surface is there, no, at B. So first the ray from the O falls on the point A incidenting, that is convex surface. So here one more concave surface is there, no, like this one more side observe concave surface. So at this B, on this concave surface it undergo refraction. So but the ray that has refracted at A suffers another refraction at B on the concave surface with radius of curvature R2. Now at B the ray is refracted and reaches a I on the principal axis. At B the ray refracts and reaches the I on the principal axis. So here at B the ray is refracted, no, that is reaches at one point I, that I is on the principal axis. Okay, so the image Q of the object is due to convex surface is taken as object for the concave surface. Okay, so we can say I is the image of the Q for the concave surface. Okay, so here first the ray from the O falls on the convex surface at A, it undergo refraction and forms an image Q, no. So here that ray only refers undergoes refraction at the concave surface, no. So that's why that B to Q is there, no, that refracted ray, that we should take as a object distance for the image B to I. Here B to I one line is there, no, means here the ray undergo refraction at A that suffers okay, here from the O one ray is falling on the convex surface at A, that undergo refraction forms an image at Q. But this ray is there, no, at point A, that incidenting ray, no, that ray undergoes one more refraction due to concave surface. Okay, due to convex surface it undergo one more refraction. Okay, so that's why this undergo refraction and it forms an image at I. Okay, so the B to I is the image distance, no, that B to I is image distance, and means that B to I is image at I, that image will form, means at B the ray which is undergo refraction at A, that suffers one more refraction at B, no, and that forms an image I on the principal axis. B to I, that is image. Okay, so for this the ray B to Q is there, no, means first situation that is forms an image at Q is there, no, that is acting like a object for the ray BI. Okay, here the objective distance U is equals to PQ. Okay, so P to Q, optic center P to Q, that is objective distance. We should take that as a objective distance. Why? Because it undergo one more refraction due to concave surface. Okay, so this PQ is, in this situation, we should take as a objective distance. Okay, and object distance PQ is equals to plus x, and image distance P to I, that is image distance, that equal to V. Radius of curvature R is equals to R2. Okay, so radius of curvature we should take as a negative symbol R2. Okay, that is R is equals to R2. And for the refraction, the above concave surface of the lens is considered as a medium 1 and the surrounding medium is considered as medium 2. Okay, so here for the refraction, convex surface of the lens is considered medium 1. Here medium 1 is that convex lens, so medium 2 is outside of the convex lens, that is medium 2. Okay, now we should hence n1 is equals to, we should take as nb, means at B the ray undergo one more time refraction, no, so at B that medium is nb, no, so that is first medium n1, that we should take as nb, and outside what is there, one more medium is there, that is n2, that n2 medium we should take as a na. Now substitute this value in the equation. N2 by V minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R. In that we should substitute. Okay, U is equals to X, Pi is equals to V, R is equals to minus R2, that values, and N1 is equals to N2 is equal to Na, that values we should substitute in the equation. Then what will come? Na by V minus Nb by X is equals to Na minus Nb by minus R2. It will come like that. Now this is equation number 2. So now we should add the equation number 1 and 2. Then what will come? If we add equation number 1 and 2, then it will come equation number 1, what is there? Nb by X plus Na by U equal to Nb minus Na by R1. Okay, equation number 2, what is there? Na by V minus Nb by X is equals to Na minus Nb by minus R2. From these two equations we can write like this. We should add these two equations now. Nb by X plus Na by U plus Na by V minus Nb by X is equal to Nb minus Na by R1 plus Na minus Nb by R2. Okay, now this plus Nb by X minus Nb by X will get cancelled. Then what will come? Na by U plus Na by V equal to Nb minus Na by R1 minus, here why we written minus, upside plus is there now? Why? Because the Na minus Nb by minus R2 is there now, plus into minus, that's we can write like this now. Okay, now plus into minus minus, that's why we are written minus Na minus Nb by R2. Now what will come? Na by U plus Na by V. Okay, Na by U plus Na by V is equals to Nb minus Na by R1. Here upside what is there? Minus Na minus Nb by R2 is there, no? That we can write like this. Minus to minus symbol we kept as it is. This Na minus Nb by R2 we can write like this. Minus of Nb minus Na by R2 we can write. Why? Because minus into Nb minus Nb. Upside minus Nb only there, no? Like that. Okay. And minus into minus Na plus Na. Upside what is there? Plus Na is there or not there? Okay. So we can write this Na minus Nb by R2 like this also. So minus half Nb minus Na by R2 like that also we can write. So what will come? Na by U plus Na by V is equals to Nb minus Na by R1. Minus into minus plus. Okay. Then what will come? Nb minus Na by R2. Okay. So now what will come? Na by U plus Na by V is equals to In this NB minus NA by R1 is there. Here N plus NB minus NA by R2 is there. So NB minus NA, NB minus NA is there or not there? That's why we should take common. NB minus NA we should take common. Then what will come? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So here NB minus NA, NB minus NA is there. No, to get that we are did like this, symbols changed upside. Okay. Now divide both sides by equation by NA. So this both side we should divide by NA. Then we will get NA by U plus NA by B. Sorry, NA by V plus NA by U divided by NA equal to NB minus NA into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 by NA. Okay. NA. So here from this we can take NA common, no? NA by V plus NA by U. From that we can take NA common. NA open bracket 1 by V plus 1 by U by NA equal to, here also here this NB minus NA into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 by NA is there. No, this we can take this also. NB minus NA by NA into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So this NA will get cancelled. Then what will come? 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to, here NB minus NA by NA is there. No, this we can write like this. No, NB by NA minus NA by NA. Okay. So this NA will get cancelled. Next 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to NB by NA minus 1. Open bracket 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is derived for specific case for the convex lens. So we need to generalize this reaction. So for this we use the sign convention. Okay, we use the sign convention. Applying the convention to this specific case. So here 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to NB by NA minus 1, 1 by R1, 1 by plus 1 by R2 is there. No, so that we should substitute with the sign convention. Here U is okay. U is, that is object distance. No, that U object distance P2O, that we are measuring opposite to incident ray. That's why we should take that. If the distance measured opposite to incident ray, that we should take as a negative sign. Okay. So 1 by V plus 1 by U means minus U. We can write minus U equal to, then what will come? NB by NA. Here this NB by NA we can write to NBA. Okay, called as refractive index of a lens with respect to the surrounding medium. Okay, NB by A is there, that we can write also as a NBA. Okay, means refractive index of a second medium with respect to first medium, like that. That's why we can write NB by NA as NBA, that we discussed in 9th class. Okay, so here what will come? 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to NBA minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is derived for specific case for the lens. We need to generalize this reaction. Okay, this is derived for the specific case. This is derived for the specific case for the convex lens. So we need to generalize this reaction. For this we have to follow the sign convention. Then what will come? Upside 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to NB minus NA minus 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 is there. So for this convex lens, okay, convex lens is there, no? Convex lens object distance is negative or not? Yes, negative. Why? Because we are measuring that to opposite to incident ray. That's why we should take as that minus U. So that's why here 1 by V minus 1 by U will come. Okay, 1 by V plus object distance 1 by minus U, no, plus into minus minus. Okay, that's why 1 by V minus 1 by U came. NB by NA we can write like as a NBA minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So minus 1 by okay, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 we are written. Why? Because in convex lens R2 is negative, no? Okay, so once you recall the picture, 8th A, convex lens, parallel rays falling on the convex lens, converge at one point, their focus will be there, that is F1. After that C1 is there, and F2 R2 left side of the convex lens is there, means opposite to incident ray. No, that's why here we are written minus R2. So 1 by F is equals to NBA minus 1 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. 1 by f of it will came. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to what? 1 by f. That's fine. Okay. This is Lensmaker formula. This is what? Lensmaker formula. Okay. So this we discussed. We have some problems related to this that we discuss in next topic. Now